Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following video, I'll show you guys how can you fix Minecraft launcher not opening. Now if you're having issue with Minecraft, then what you could do is, first of all, the first step, you could actually go ahead and tap on the search box and type in run and click the open button, and here you have this prompt. So you have to actually go ahead and type in %localappdata% and click the OK button. It is going to take you to this page. So here you want to go ahead and locate your Minecraft launcher. When you locate the Minecraft launcher, you want to simply go ahead and delete the file. And once you actually delete, or right click on the mouse and delete the file, then you want to exit, or you want to close this app, and then you want to restart the Minecraft launcher, and that should be able to fix the issue as well. If not, what else you could also do is you could also go ahead and repair or reset it. For that, you want to go to the search box once again, and then you want to go to settings. When you go ahead and open up the settings, you want to go ahead and locate installed app, or you want to just go ahead and click on apps, after which go to install app, and here you want to go ahead and locate Minecraft launcher. When you locate it, so click on the three-dot icon next to it, and you want to go ahead and click on modify. Go ahead and repair it by tapping onto the advanced button, after which you want to completely close it, and that should be able to fix it as well. After which you can also go ahead and click at the bottom of the screen and go to task manager. Once you go to this section, here you want to type in Minecraft, and then click or right click on the mouse when you locate it and click on end task. Once you do it, so you should be able to fix it. So if nothing seems to be working out, then you could try uninstalling it. So in order to uninstall, you want to head over to your search bar and type in control panel. When you open up the application, or when you open up the control panel, you want to go to uninstall a program. After which, what you want to do is locate Minecraft and right click on the mouse, or just tap on it and click the uninstall button. With that being said, you'll have successfully uninstalled it. Once again, you want to install it and try logging in whether you're able to fix it or not. So these are some of the ways in order to fix Minecraft launcher not opening. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.